Hello again and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you my card I made with the August kit, and I'm starting with my with the better press of the month. I made a couple of cards and didn't come out so great. I don't know why. Because I did hot foil on top after doing and because they are different level, the hot foil didn't come out that great. But with this one, it came out a bit better. I just choose different colors, and it was quite fun to make, and they are pretty easy. So I made two flat, basically card, very easy to make, but quite fun. With this one, I use the stencil of the months, the embossing folder of the months, the small die of the months, that is the sentiment. I decorate with a couple of gems, and I bucket everything with pink cardstock just to match the flowers. And that's it. I didn't use the last, I mean, the stencil is like incoming 4 bits. I didn't use the last one. This is a whole set for the background, two different whole sets, and then for the walls as well. And then I use for that this embossing folder of this of August. This is the wax seal of the month, the Hello, and the flowers are from the large diadems. They are absolutely beautiful. So I don't usually make dark cards, but I thought I'll give it a try. This one, for this one I use the embossing, the 3D embossing folder of the month. That is beautiful. I use it on the back side with the blue cardstock, and then I put some white ink on top. That U is from, I think, a Salmon Says Stamp all die. Then I've got some foliage dies that are very old that I purchased in Amazon, I think. The Wonderful is from a small die of the month. And this arch is again some dies I had in my stash. I decorate with a couple of half pearl, gold half pearl, and that's it. Because I enjoy so much doing it, I used this time for the large, for the 3D embossing folder, I use it on the positive side, let's say, and in dark green cardstock, and then I use some gold ink on top. There is the arch. For the arch, I die cut it with some of the new cardstock from Spellbinder, the treasure cardstock. And this one is the all large die of the month. That is beautiful. And then as a background, it's got the embossing folder of the month. The sentiment again from is the small die of the month. And I use watercolor cardstock, so it's very textured. And just a bit of blending, and that's it. I hope you like my cards. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.